everybody, here again. I came to pick up a branch which will be okay to make a natural perch for Pixy. He's at home, he's enjoying, I think, his morning sleep. So I'll just try to pick up a good perch here, like good branch here, which later on I can trim and I can make some adjustments, and I'll cut and I'll arrange for him for Pixie. Okay guys, I'll pick up one branch here. See guys, I picked up this one and I just, as much as possible from my hand, I broke some edges and I'm picking up this one. See guys, this is good size, not too big and not too small. This is good. Later on we'll see how I can trim and how I can adjust this one into Pixie cage, and I'll arrange it. Cut a piece of branch and it's almost looking like a natural perch for our Pixie. Now I will try to fix it. Which position is possible, I will try. I want to keep it this way so that for feeding also this will be close by to him. The feed also, it will be good. The feeding purpose also is good now. So only in this corner I have to fix some, I have to drill some hole here and put some extension to just hang it in this gap. Okay, so I will do it now. Okay, let's drill it out now. Okay, this area I will put a hole now, okay, with our driller. So this is the hole I made. I just drilled it, and see, this is the bolt. I'm going to fix it. Okay, it is correct size. The hole also is correct size and it's going well inside. So we want to make sure that it is exactly too much tight. We can put some extra wood piece to pack and we can fix it. Okay, this is more than enough. This is more stronger also. Now I will fix it this way. See? This will stay like this here. Show it from the other side. I have a washer and a check nut for that. I will show you. Washer. This is the check nut. Just make this tight. It's okay. Let's fixed very tight. See, it's not moving because I'm giving more pressure also. So for Pixy weight, this will be okay. Now this will be a strange perch for him. Gradually, within few minutes, he will come on this and he will investigate what is this, and he will enjoy. He will enjoy. Pixie, there is a new perch for you, buddy. Okay, please have a look at it. Okay, and you can enjoy, huh? You can enjoy. You can bite, and you can give some workout to your beak also. Okay, buddy, enjoy. Record what you're going to deal with this new perch. Okay, so that I will upload the video and let your viewers enjoy the work of your beak. Okay, Pixie, you understanding, buddy? Pixie, you understanding, buddy? Good boy.